Well, in 1959, Richard Feynman stated something really interesting. He said, there is plenty of room at the bottom and an invitation to enter a new field of physics. What is meant by this? Why it is so much important for us? Let's discuss. Well, Feynman's idea was to consider the possibility of engineering atoms as a more powerful form of synthetic chemistry compared to their bulk form. This principally inspires the field of nanotechnology. Oh, then what is meant by nanotechnology? Simply, it is the use of matter at nanoscale for industrial use. So, materials at nanoscale are simply defined as nanoparticles. Therefore, nanoparticle is a small particle with at least one dimension that ranges between 1 to 100 nanometers in size. Considering these facts, nanoparticles can be grouped according to their size, morphology, physical and chemical properties. Then, based on their composition, we can classify them as carbon based nanoparticles, ceramic nanoparticles, metal nanoparticles, semiconductor nanoparticles, polymeric nanoparticles, and also as lipid based nanoparticles. Oh, if so, how nanomaterials are different from their bulk materials? They are different from their bulk counterparts due to the high surface area over to volume ratio. Then they have certain quantum effects at the nanoscale. Well, that's all for today. Next day we will discuss the applications of nanomaterials and further more interesting facts. Thank you. Goodbye.